Okay, so I've got my Jeep Comanche here, and recently I painted the front bumper here, and I just did the rear bumper, and I'm noticing all this black trim is looking very faded against that new paint. All this black plastic here, this, around here, obviously this, the door handles, oh man, door handles really bad. You can even see it against the stripe here. And so I've got a method you can use to clean up the black plastic trim. You can see, obviously this is the one I have done already, and this is the one that I haven't. So it's been restored, it looks very black against this freshly painted tailgate. I haven't popped it in yet, you can see, but here it is. And here's how it looked before. So it's a big difference there. So we're inside now, but you can see it very well, the before and the after. Really made it a lot more black, closer to what it would have looked like from the factory here. See that all this faded. There is some dirt in there, but that's basically what it looks like. So here are the ones I've already done, and these are the ones that I'm gonna do. So I've got a fender flare and bumper end cap here, and this is just a piece of trim that goes on the bumper here. Now this is what I'm going to be washing the parts in to start off with. If you're at an auto shop, a big sink should be easy to find, but you may not want to wash this in your kitchen sink. You can wash it on the driveway or whatever even works. So I'm just going to be using hot water and some dish soap. You guys know how to wash dishes, but it's basically the same procedure, except I'm going to be using this automotive use brush. It's for washing parts, that's what it's made for, so it's going to work a lot better to get all the dirt off and the grease. You can see how dirty it is there. I'm not only doing the outside of this, but I'm also going to do the inside of all of these. I'm going to sink a little bit more in and do that until I'm all the way around it. So you can see why you don't want to do something this big in your kitchen sink. There's some paint that came off my my truck. That's disgusting. Brown bubbles. Goodness gracious. Okay, I've just finished cleaning up the parts here, and they already look really good. You can see they all cleaned up very nice. Okay, so I got my flood penetrol here, and this is the piece I just cleaned up. I'm just going to take a shop towel, fold it a little bit, and pull it off here. Got a little bit on the shop towel there. And now I'm just going to spread it on here, kind of. So right now I'm just going to do these top ridges. coat it, and then I'll go down in the grooves there. Try to get in the cracks there. There we go. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes and see how it turns out. Maybe I need to do a second coat, but we'll see. You can see this has been chewed up quite a bit from rocks hitting the back of it while I drive, but I don't know if you can see that, but I scrubbed a bit of flood penetrol on here and turned my white hood a little black. So be careful with it on your white car. I don't care about this hood, but yeah. Maybe I should have done it on my Supra. The hood's already black. Alright, so that's how you can restore the black plastic trim on your Jeep Comanche. You can see this is the one I've done up. It's nice and black against the white there. And this is the one I haven't done. So it's quite gray. And here's the bumper. That's also nice and black there. So yeah, it looks really good now.